What's up, everyone? So let me educate my people on the flip Android phones, as far as like me, even the Galaxy Z flips, but the Motorola Razr flips are getting the much love. Anyways, you actually got multiple screens. You got multiple displays, right? So this is the one. This is the first display. The one on the front when it's folded, right? So you got this one. So all right. So let me see if I can do my fingerprint. Okay. So as you can see, and yes, that is my actual real wallpaper. I took a when I was in Collinsville, Illinois, and I was at the Walmart, and actually think I went to Spectrum or Walgreens, one of them. Yeah, Walgreens. I went to Walgreens. I took this shot of the pond, the waterfall, and everything like that. So, and I used this smartphone. This phone, the Razr, took that shot. My bag. Now, let me go back. Let me go back to the home. So you go swipe, swipe, and you got your own personal widgets on this mini screen. You see what I'm saying? Okay, this is Spotify. People on the mini screen. Spotify. Shout out to all the Spotify users. My calendar. And then, I just got a notification. TikTok. The weather. Stocks. What's popping. Then you got your games. That's what I got. But, let me show y'all something. Flip it. Bam. Woo-hoo-hoo. Now, I'm at the home screen. See what I'm saying? And when you look at it, okay, we can do Netflix. Let's open up Netflix. And Netflix looks really good on here. Okay, do that. Okay, so I'm not right. Let me exit out. And then let me do Chrome. Do browsing. Let's go back. Let's go back home. All right. Here we go. Let's go. We home. Exit out. Now, this is what I want to do. This is what I'm going to show y'all. All right. You do that, and then check this. Check that out, right? This is a free form. This is a free form multitasking. I'll pull that out. Let's see. Trying to. All right, you don't. All right, trying to do that. Let me go to. Let's do calculator. We're gonna do calculator. Bam! Look at her, calculator. And on top of that, I got that search bar open. So I got calculator and Google search. Exit out. Bam. So truthfully, well, I didn't do that right. Hold on. Let me see something real quick. All right, there we go. Okay, you gotta hold it down. Hold it down. Let's see. Hold it down. There we go. Freeform and do Flipboard. So you can multitask on your flip, your Moto Razr. You can multitask. See that? All right. They talking about the Google Pixel. Tap on that. All right. And then you can exit out. So actually, your Motorola Razr has multiple screens. And look, this is a lot of people don't like that, but it is what it is. At nighttime, you could turn this into a alarm clock, basically. Turn your Razr phone into an alarm clock. That's how you ton of money, save you ton of stuff. You know what I mean? Time management. Motorola Razr flip phone will help you with your time management and your productivity. And then, okay, let me show y'all one more thing. The full review coming soon. Man. Hold on. Full review coming soon. Look at her. Look at there. Let me exit out. Now I like this one cool feature. I might have showed it off already, but watch when I get on YouTube. Tap on it. All right, let me see. Nope. All right, let's just let's see. My boy Jay Wills. Okay, let's see. Is it gonna play? Okay, it's playing. Now watch this. Curve. That's how I get people looking at my phone at the mall. They're like, man, it's phone curve for real? Yeah. I got little kids bumping into chairs and stuff. They ain't never seen nothing like it because they so glued to a freaking iPhone and an iPad. Your iPhone, iPad can't do that, bruh. Motorola, gang. Anyway, Motorola is winning. And love it. I love it. And then 10. God, I love this phone. Man.